If you're not taking action, you might be sabotaging your email marketing efforts without even knowing it. I'm Eric from Strategy Emails, and in this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps to remove bounced emails from Mailchimp, boosting your deliverability and ensuring that your messages reach the right inbox. Whether you're a small business owner, a seasoned marketer, or just getting started, managing your email list effectively is a key to your success. Here, we're going to start off at the Mailchimp homepage, and we're going to go down here on the left side to analytics. Once this opens, because I have the free version, I'm going to go ahead and close out this pop-up that happens. Once we have that closed, we're going to go to this reports section that is underneath the analytics header. Now that we're in the reports section, we can sort the campaign by status. We have all statuses ongoing and completed. And we have also the type of campaign. So if you have a text campaign or landing pages, ads, emails, social posts, etc. So I only have emails and all. So let's click that. We have emails, all, and download all reports. If you've run a report before, you can click this export button to download that report again. But since this is our first time doing a report, what we're going to do is we're going to click that generate export button, and there we go. Here it is. The export's complete. I'm going to go ahead and click download reports. Once we have everything ready, we're going to click on ready to download. It's going to download a zip file. Once you have the zip file unzipped and you have every file ready to go, you can go to either Excel or Google Sheets or any other spreadsheet software and import those CSV files. I'm going to go to upload, browse. I'm going to choose campaigns because I only have a campaign. We're going to go ahead and say insert new sheet. I'm going to import the data. And it's going to create this campaigns. So as you can see, we had 3 recipients, 2 successful deliveries. It looks like we did have 1 soft bounce. Let's go see which email address gave us the soft bounce. So we're going to go back to Mailchimp. We're going to go here to reports, and now we're going to go to that email that had a bounce. So moving back over here, as you can see, the title is test. So in the Mailchimp reports section, we're going to look for test, and we're going to click on view report. Once we are here, we're going to see we have 0 open, 0 clicked, 1 bounced. So we're going to click on this 1 in the bounced section to bring up a list of email addresses that gave us a bounce. We're going to scroll down here, and we're going to see that totally fake email address at totally fake domain name came back as a soft bounce. If we want to see the reason why, we can scroll over here to bounce reason, which is the default last column in this table. Click on it. It's going to open up this in a new tab. And we can go here and we can look for diagnostic code, host or domain name not found, because totally fake email address domain.ai is not a real email domain for some reason. Now we know why the email bounced. It's not a valid domain name. We can go and clean this from our list. So we're going to go over here on the left side to audience. We're going to go to all contacts. And depending on how you have this segmented, we're going to click on Manage Audience. We're going to click on View Contacts. The bounced email address was this totally fake email domain. If you know the new email address, you can really click on the View Contact profile and then edit the customer information as you need. Since I know that this is a fake email address, I'm going to go ahead and click this checkbox here. I'm going to click the 3 dots. I'm going to choose Archive Contacts. I have to type in the word archive to confirm, and I'm going to do that. And there we go. The totally fake email address has been removed from the email list. Thank you for watching this. To stay up to date with other tips, tricks, and email marketing strategies, make sure to sign up for my free newsletter down in the video description below. This has been Eric from Strategy Email, and let's help your campaigns perform at their best.